Bobby here with Clemons Boats. Today we're going to go over this 2026 19 Montauk. This one is in light blue. We've got a white rub rail with stainless steel insert. You see up here we've got the split bow rail, which makes it nice for when you're trailering on and off. You don't have to reach over or try to go under. It also makes it a lot easier when you're anchoring. Easy out, easy in. We'll walk around the back here. This boat's sitting on a galvanized trailer. It does have a spare. It's a tandem axle. See, it is powered by a 150 Merc in white fusion. It does have the tow arch on it if you want to pull a tube or ski. We'll go up here, we'll go topside. So climb in the boat. Back of the boat, you can see we've got cup holders in the back. We have this side removed so that you can get in and out, but these just slide right in here. There's also a cushion that goes here. You can remove them if you want to fish, not get your cushions all dirty. We have a white powder coated T-top. We have leaning post here. You can move this in several positions. You can use it as a leaning post if you want to stand and drive. If you want to face aft, watch the kids or fish, you can move it back this way if you want to sit and drive. We have a 9-inch Simrad NSX. We have JL audio, Bluetooth stereo with JL audio speakers. If you look in the back here, you can see we've got rear scuppers here, so it will drain itself if you do get water in. This boat does have a combo console and leaning post cover, so your cover is going to cover all of your electronics plus your console. This boat also has a fishing package, so you got a little tackle storage here, your fire extinguisher. You have rocket launcher rod holders in the back. Also with the fishing package, you get this cooler with the backrest and cushions. We've got more cup holders. Here's a good view. You can see the split bow rail. If you want to anchor, there's an anchor locker up here. Right here with a cutout for your line, and then these cushions easily fold up and get out of the way if you wanted to stand up here and fish, not get your cushions all dirty. Huge storage in the front. There is a drain, and because it's a whaler, it is fully foam insulated. The whole boat is full of foam, so any compartment could be turned into a big cooler if you wanted it to. All right, guys, that concludes our quick walkthrough on the 19 Montauk. You can see this boat and many more at clemonsboats.com. You can also give us a call at 419-684-5365.